Take a ride in the 2010 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, 2. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.